Okay guys, I got a 2013 F150 Ecoboost. Did everything myself. Finally decided to do that weep hole that everybody keeps talking about. I didn't realize how much stuff's been coming out of it. It's been going like this. I got it set up. Let me show you. So I can push all this stuff out. Running about 4,000 RPMs. I got a lot of shit coming out of here. Let me tell you. Let me show you what I did. Look at the ground. As you see back there, she's still coming out nice and strong. So I would highly recommend it. The reason why I did it is it went into limp mode while I was driving down the highway and scared the shit out of me. And then I got the program in here, comprehensive SCT and unleashed tuning. I haven't really set it up yet. Sorry, my truck's a mess, but Minnesota winters. And I know she just wasn't performing the way she should be, so I would highly recommend everybody doing it. Like I said, it's been running for about 3-4 minutes, and she's still coming out nice and strong. You don't want that shit inside your intercooler. Nobody does. But there's the beast. Later, guys.